Today, when I see statistics is a backbone of data science activities, I thought, why not to utilize that? Although, because of many years being passed, I have to brush up my statistics skills. It was an amazing experience being taught by experienced and very matured person like Raja. In the age when most of the training programs are online, we have an instructor who can take the complete class of 40 to 50 participants in a very interactive environment, and he'll keep the class momentum going, and that is something which is not easy to be obtained in other training programs. I have enough in my plate, in my material on the website, so this course will help me in a different direction for my career to be taken. Even if they don't work as a data scientist, they can utilize the knowledge gained out of the bootcamp in order to do their respective job, whatever they are doing, in a better way. So it's a pretty vast audience space which can get the benefit out of it.